activity class every day. My class teacher, lovely and sweet. All children loved her a lot. Thank you. Happy teacher.
Hello everyone, I am Soren Sanwar from class UKG. I am going to speak few lines on my teacher. My favorite teacher is Miss Ardia ma'am. She teaches us all the subjects by her unique style of teaching. She is very kind and loving by nature. Ardia ma'am is the star who teaches me how to shine. I love my teacher very much. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone. I am Anushree. I am speaking few lines on Ardia ma'am. My class teacher name is Miss Ardia ma'am. She teaches us very well. She is very kind and friendly. She gives full attention to his students. She is very hardworking teacher. I love my Ardia ma'am so much. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Amaka. My class teacher name is Achita ma'am. She is very intelligent. She is beautiful. I love you ma'am. Happy teacher day. मैम हम खुशबू बोल रहे हैं. आपने एक पोयम याद किए हैं. मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, हम बच्चों की दोस्त हैं सच्ची, बड़े प्यार से हमें पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बात बताती. एक्स्ट्रा मैम. Everyone, my class, myself Alankara Misra. I study class UKG. Today I am going to speak on Teachers Day. Teachers, it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was great president and excellent teachers. My class, Ardia ma'am.
She is so kind.
She is so kind.
She teaches us.
She teaches us very well.
I would like
to
thank
thank
my dear ma'am
my ma'am
and
and
all
all
teachers.
teachers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vidit Prajapati. My school name is Dr. Sarup Padir School, Rawat in Kanpur. My favorite teacher is Miss Ardia ma'am. She is very kindly and friendly. She motivates us to ask question in class. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Happy Teacher Day. Akka, ma'am. Ma'am, best teacher in the world.